Well, here's my steam engine. It's built from Harley parts. The cylinder is a chunk of Harley-Davidson fork tube. The cap on this end is the top cap for a Harley that would go at the triple tree, which has been filled with brazing rod to keep down the volume inside of it. The nut on the end of it has cotton packing to seal the rod. It's a double acting steam engine, so the piston is pushed in both directions. The valve is made out of brass fittings acquired from my local hardware store. The 1/4 inch rod was acquired from both the hardware store, and I also got a chunk from the local steel guy. There's a Harley-Davidson charging system rotor for a flywheel, the crosshead that I built for it, and it's a Stevenson reversing valve gear on it, and I built a sliding lever to control that, which is designed to stay where you put it. I just put a little bend in the lever down here against the steel that it mounts on to give it a little spring tension. It's still got some work to do. I need to build an exhaust system for it. This was built on an old Craftsman lathe, pretty much wore out, hardly makes any power. You can stall it with your hand, but it did what I needed to do, and this is what I came up with, and let's see if it'll run. That is running at, I don't know if you can see that, about 21 pounds. I just reversed it, but you missed it. Let's go ahead and pick it up a little bit. Anyways, it still needs some work. Needs some of the rough edges knocked off of it. I want to paint, and I want to add brass acorn hardware. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.